Hello you guys. Starting this vlog in the garage. Guys, this is like day 5 curly hair. I was trying to salvage it today and I don't think it's working, but it is actually a beautiful fall day out. I'm going to take the dogs to the cabin. They're already in the back of the Jeep. We're going to the cabin. That's where my parents have been staying, and my mom has all of her Christmas decor out there. So I'm gonna help her kind of sort through and figure out what she should keep or what she should use this year. Also, she has this beautiful decor that we used on her mantle. Last year, she just had gotten it from Joann Fabrics, I want to say. It's kind of like decor that you could keep out for Christmas and for fall. So I was telling her, I was like, we need to put that out like right now. So I'm gonna go out there, help her with that. And I just thought it would be fun to get the mantle decorated and stuff. And the dogs. Hi, buddy. Literally, the cabin is their favorite place in the entire world. So they are gonna be so happy for a little midweek cabin adventure. Really quick before I leave, I'm gonna run inside and show you guys the mantle. This is the mantle over here. I was talking about in the last vlog, it was sort of funny because this is the only fall decor that my parents have out right now as a childhood photo of me. Anyway, this is the mantle that we want to get decorated, and yeah, it'll stay out all fall and Christmas. So we're gonna go through some of her stuff and figure out what sort of theme she should use this year. I'm going to head out there now with the dogs and I'll bring you guys along. We made it to the cabin and they lowered the water. So the dogs are basically in a mud pit. Wait till you guys see, dude. My dad's been raking this because I guess they're gonna get sand put in. Oh my gosh. Dude. Dude. Bandit, don't. What have you done? Oh my goodness. I guess sometimes you just gotta let the boys play in the dirt. They're loving it though. So they'll get a bath later. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Are you having fun? You're gonna need a bubble bath.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Joshua and I are at the cutest little, it's like a farm. This is a farm, right? But they have so many pumpkins. And we're picking out a couple pumpkins because
we're gonna have a carving contest that we need you guys to vote on.
Yep, we're gonna carve some pumpkins, do all the fall things. I mean, these over here are my favorite looking for like decorating the front door and stuff. This is normally what I gravitate towards, but for just carving, we just have to get, you know, some nice traditional pumpkins. So I did not know that you could get black pumpkins either.
This is harder than I thought to pick out a pumpkin for carving.
This one looks like a nice, oh, there's a spider on it. This one looks like a very nice traditional one. Look at this one.
This is a good one as far as the canvas goes.
Yes.
But am I gonna go wide like a scene, or am I gonna do something
I don't think our pumpkin carving skills are that good. Every time I've carved a pumpkin, it never looks that good, so. Guys, it only took several days for my mom and I to find where this mantle decor went. Finally found it days later, but this is what she got last year from Joann's. It's really pretty. I actually showed it in a video last year. If you guys never saw it, then this will be your first time seeing it. Okay, a couple pieces are falling off, but these are really cool. They kind of like dangle down. It looks very, very pretty. So this she bought for Christmas decor last year, but then we were like, oh my goodness, you could put this up in the fall. And then she got these right here. These are super pretty, all from Joann's. They probably still have them this year. They have little pine cones on them and they're like a white birch. I feel like we used these on her other mantle last year actually, because they had little birds on them. Yeah, this wasn't used for this mantle actually. This has the actual garlands. Okay, so I'm going to get started on this. And I really wanted to decorate this mantle because since I don't have a house to decorate yet, I really needed to decorate something. It's been a while. So I'm gonna get started decorating that mantle and I'll show you guys what it ends up looking like. It's gonna look really pretty. With the light on, it's kind of hard to show you guys, but I got the lights working, had to get an extension cord and get that all figured out. Something that I didn't show you guys is there's also, I gotta get this figured out. If you can tell with the lighting, I know it's not the greatest, but my mom also has this garland right here. It's like really long, but skinny. So I'm kind of adding that into just like the plain green garland. Let me see if I unplug this, if you'll be able to tell better. So I still have to like tuck this in and weave it through, but it's just gonna make it look thicker and prettier because that has like some flocked on it. Okay guys, I got it all decorated. I'm obsessed with it. I know we did the same thing last year, but it's always just like fun to see it all come together again. You kind of forget. But I just think it's so whimsical and I love like the little dangly things, the lights. It's perfect for this time of year, and then it's gonna be great for Christmas too. So hopefully the lighting's okay, you guys can see it all right. This is how it came together this year and I love it. I hope when my mom sees it, she's excited. And because I have a serious problem, if you come into this room, which sorry, I have the washer on, it's kind of loud right now. I ended up just decorating this mantle too, which this one is slightly more Christmassy, but this stuff was all in with the other things and I thought, while it's out, I might as well just put it up. So this is the exact same as she did it last year too. It's just garland with these really pretty picks. I think those are from Hobby Lobby, but I love them because you can really like twist them and make them go up like really high and stuff. And then there's like these little They have like little gold beads on them. And then these she got from Joann's last year. They're just like little clip-on birds. So yeah, this one is like whimsical in its own way too. Honestly, it felt really nice to decorate today. I feel like I haven't decorated anything in so long. Mom and Dad are home. I'm gonna get their official reaction.
We're supposed to close our eyes?
Yes. Okay, walk this way.
Walk this way.
Of the mantle.
Oh, we can walk with our eyes open.
What do you think?
Oh,
What?
beautiful.
Oh, wow.
You did such a
Yikes.
great job.
You love it?
Yeah, it looks better than last year.
What word is above love? Because that's the word.
It's gorgeous.
Wow.
It's gorgeous.
Boy, that is beautiful.
Okay, come into the next room.
Oh my goodness. I love it. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Oh, I love the birds that in there. Yeah, wow.
Oh, it's
There's so much
whimsical.
going on here.
It's whimsical.
Well, it's really the same as what we did last year,
But
but
look at how much look at all the stuff that's in here though. Wow, that is beautiful.
okay. Now Mom is gonna surprise me with the front porch. Aw, cute. I love that you put the mums in those little
Containers?
Yes. I love it. It's so cute. So she got two big ones. These are really pretty colors. It's kind of like a bluish white.
Bluish. That, I couldn't get matching pumpkins. This is all they had left.
I love it. So this was already here. You just put it on there. I like that. I think that's fun. These are the mums I got. They definitely needed a container. Where'd you find them? Did you just get those?
No, they were in here.
Oh. And then you put the little... Joshua and I might carve those pumpkins, but... Yeah, it looks so pretty. Oh, and your wreath. You put your wreath up.
Yeah.
I love it. So cute. Okay, guys, I was just coming out to water the mums. I saw something recently. When you water mums, because I usually always kill them, you're not supposed to water like the top and get the actual flower wet. I didn't know that, so that was like really helpful for me. So I thought that was a really good tip. So you kind of have to just get like underneath really well. But anyway, Joshua and I still have yet to carve our pumpkins. We did not get to it in this vlog. And the neighbor has like these blow up Halloween decorations and they're really loud. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was kind of random, just doing all the fun fall things. Let me know what you guys thought. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hopefully we get to carving our pumpkins next time. But subscribe if you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video.